Hello, my name's Chris Edwards. I'm a rheumatologist in Southampton in the United Kingdom, and I want to tell you about the talk that I'll be giving at the Autoimmunity 2024 meeting. The subject will be rheumatoid arthritis, and specifically the brain in rheumatoid arthritis, and it follows wonderful work showing scans of the brain, both functionally and structurally, showing how systemic inflammation can change the way the brain works in rheumatoid arthritis. This talk will be part of Autoimmunity 2024, a meeting that brings together world leaders across a multitude of different specialities. Why will I be at Autoimmunity 2024? Because of that, because bringing together many different specialities like me in rheumatology, but other areas where people are interested in autoimmunity, all into one room, always results in stimulating and interesting conversation. I hope to see you there.